and sabotage of municipality infrastructure, assets, and resources. Gathered here today, we declare that non-existent, substandard, and haphazard service delivery is unacceptable. And for corruption, maladministration amongst eThekwini municipalities personnel to be rooted out. We are protesting because of the frustration felt by the residents and citizens of the city on a daily basis. Owing to service delivery failure and by the eThekwini municipality, and hereby demand the following to be considered immediately and put into action. Lokho sizokuqala namhlanje sizothi makwenzeke ngokusheshsha. Sikhuluma indaba yamanzi. Amanzi ayilungelo kumuntu. Yet ama-residents in the city are left for days, weeks, months without water and are deprived of water, preventing them from performing even the most basic of human needs like bathing, drinking, cooking, and cleaning. Kusho ukuthi siphupha ilungelo lokuthi singagezi, singadli, singakwazi ukupheka. Iy'ngane zethu ziyasilalela singafundi isheshe iphume. Ngenxa yokuthi amanzi awekho ey'koleni. Akekho umuntu okwazi ukuhlala amanzi engekho. Our demands in access to clean, safe, quality water. The option of having a prepaid water meter as well. The insourcing of water tankers. An improvement in the water quality verified by credible and ongoing external testing. Attending to all water leaks timelessly. We all know ukuthi amanzi asesenenkinga ayavuza ngapha nangapha akekho umuntu owa-attendayo. So we demand ukuthi umasipala akakhiphe abantu bayolungisa amapayipi avuzayo. All flood damaged infrastructure to be replaced, restored or repaired. Zonke lezi ndawo ezahleshulwa ama-floods nanamhlanje zisame kanjalo. We demand the municipality ukuthi bayokhanda zonke lezo ndawo. The restoration and reopening of Mansell Road marketing ablution blocks. Electricity, we demand ukubuyisela kwama-street lights emalokishini nasey'ndaweni zonke esiqala kuzo. Sidimanda ukuthi kurepaiwe, kureplacewe, kurestorewe, kufixwe and maintain all street lights eThekwini. Ngoba nobugebengu sibuthola ngoba ama-street lights awasebenzi. All flood damage infrastructure to be replaced. Then is here with sewer. There is sewer overflow in certain parts of the city. Sewer even overflows into potholes. Kusho ukuthi wonke lamanzi aqhamuka emgaqweni agcina esengena emgaqweni enza ama-potholes agcwale lezi zinto ey'qhamuka kuma-sewer. When sewer infrastructure is damaged, the repair of same is left unattended. Drains and stormwater infrastructure are blocked. We demand sewer overflow, particularly in the CPD, to be attended to immediately. Damaged sewer infrastructure faults to be responded to and fixed. All blocked drains and stormwater to be attended to and unblocked. Safety and security. Amapara have taken over the city. Certain areas within the CPD have become Amazulu, Amapara. We demand visible city policing, especially especially at hotspots of criminal activity by Amapara. The eradication of Amapara in the city, the deployment of Metropolis at all CBD intersections across the city and at high traffic areas when traffic signals are gone off during load shedding. Sidimanda amaphoyisa azoma emarobotini uma ngabe kune load shedding basithathe. Imigaqo, roads, potholes dot and dominate the roads across the city. Roads are not marked. Speed bumps have no markings. So we demand a task team under the road unity to urgently and swiftly repair all potholes across the city and specifically in the CBD. All roads throughout the city to be properly marked, especially speed humps. Ama speed humps abulani moto zethu ngoba awamakiwe. Municipality operations. The city has a high vacancy rate. The municipality must be on par with other municipalities. We demand the filling of all vacant posts. Abantu bethu abasebenzi bahlele emakhaya. Bafundile baphethe ama-degree baphethe yonke into. Kodwa abaqashwa ndawo. EPWP workers must be employed full-time and trained in different capacities such as disaster preparedness and management, better disaster response, preparedness, early warning, rapid response and recovery. The municipality amicably finalize the negotiations with the worker representative to end the current violent strike. Cleanliness, parks, holes, halls. Refuse connection is inconsistent. Parks are not maintained. Grass is not cut. We demand consistent refuse collection, pest control for rats and rodents, especially the CBD. A functional grass and tree cutting schedule and the spraying the weed killers. All public pools to be functional. Even the one at Inanda, there is left incomplete. All parks to be lit with public lighting. Business confidence in the city is at rock bottom. Certain spaza shops sell fake and expired goods. Sinama spaza shop akubalamalolishi adayisiza into ayibonile abantu bethu bagula ingane zethu zigula. We demand a plan to restore business confidence in the city. Help the business inspectors to crack down all shops that are sell fake and expired goods and are not fit to operate a business due to poor standard of operation in terms of hygiene and safety. Tourism. Durban is a tourism city. The tourist attractions have been neglected. We demand all pools in the city, particularly in CBD, to be restored to its former glory, especially for peak tourist seasons. The sky car and bungee jumping at Moses Mabhida Stadium to be repaired and reinstated. Sinenkinga yama hijacked buildings. Sinama building agcwelitheko angasebenzi ahijackwe abakufika. Agcwele akha ubugebengu eThekwini lethu. Asakwazi nawo ngoba agwele abokufika benza ubugebengu. Baqoqa ingane zethu bayilethele ama-building bazoyirepa. We demand an audit of all buildings in the city and clean up of abandoned and vandalized buildings in line with city bylaws. We make these demands on behalf of the residents of Durban who daily suffer from service delivery failures and inadequacies of the eThekwini municipality. The umkhoto wesizwe party eThekwini region expects a response to all these demands within 14 days. We have faith in your commitment to promptly and effectively address these concerns for the betterment of Durban's residents. Amanda! Viva! Umkhoto wesizwe, viva!
Comrades, abayisayineke le memorandum yethu and ngiyathemba ukuthi uwatshele ama-officials ukuthi awame kancane ulusha lufuna ukudlulisa umyalezo. Ababasayini bese bebuyele ema-ofisi abasayine bebe uphiko lolusha